everyone, how are you all? This is Shruti and you're watching Shruti Arts. In today's video, I am going to paint with coffee. Yes guys, you heard it right, and you might be thinking that this is something strange. But let me tell you guys, this technique is a familiar technique with many artists, and if you don't know, you should watch the video till the end because this video is going to be really fun and I am really excited. Because like my excitement is on this level to do this painting. So let's start the video without wasting any time and let's see how you can make this painting with coffee. So here I have 4 bowls of coffee and each has different quantity of coffee in it. This one has the maximum quantity of coffee because I am going to use it for the darker shades in the painting, and this other bowls I have reduced the quantity of the coffee one by one. So this will create different values of the paint which we are going to make with coffee. We will add a equal amount of water in all these bowls and let's see how this turns out. Now we will add some water to all 4 bowls and I am going to add equal amount of water, but if needed I can add more water. So it's depend on the value of the color. If you want it more darker, you will add less amount of water, and if you want it more lighter, you will add some more water. This technique which we are going to do is a bit similar to watercolor, so the artists who are familiar with watercolor, this painting is going to be a bit easier for you, but if you are a beginner, this method is just perfect for you. What this will make is your shades will be from darker to light. As you can see, I am just adding some water to the last bowl, and for the lighter shade I am going to add maximum water as I can, and after that we'll just mix it with help of a brush. I am also going to show you how this works by showing you the swatches of each color, that is each value. So make sure you watch the video till the end, and in the end of the video I have also included a bonus tip, so you can just go and check it out. As you can see, I have my shades ready. I have here the darker shade and I have made the range of darker to light. So as you can see, I have 5 shades in total, and this will help me to make my painting more easier. So now let me show you how the swatches of this all shade works, and let me show you what is the darker shade, what is more lighter one, and let's see the difference in between them. So now let's start sketching our drawing, and I am just going to draw something cute like a cartoon and a girl. This painting is really cute, so you should watch it till the end. And all the art materials which I have used in this video or in this painting, I have linked them below in the description, so you can just buy it from there. And as you can see, I have my paper here. I am going to use a normal mechanical pencil for this, and let's start. If you don't know what is my technique of sketching something, you should watch the video which I have uploaded before about outline and sketching. I have mentioned the link in the description, you can go and check it out from there. So what my technique is, I always construct some basic shapes first, and after that I always go for the details. So if you don't know, you should watch my video, it will be really helpful for you all. My sketching is all done, and now you can see how cute this sketch have turned out, and now let's start painting this beautiful sketch with coffee. Sorry for disturbing guys, but just have a look at my website. This is howtomake.com, where you can learn different things to make at home, as well as different tips to study or cooking recipes or different social media tips. Let me show you an example. Here I have how to increase Instagram followers, where you can just go through different things and you should be able to gain some followers by using all these tips. So make sure to visit my site on howtomake.com. Link is in the description. You can check it out from there. So the paints which we have made with help of a coffee, that is the shades we have made, I am going to use all of them. So for the lightest shade, I am going to start with the lightest shade as we do with watercolors, and then I am going to go slowly with all the details. So as you can see, I have just started with the lightest paint that I have, and as this is coffee, so that this will not add more contrast as I want. So I'm just expecting what I am thinking right now, how this painting will turn out, and I am having a good feeling that this painting will turn out really cute. So I'm just going to paint it like a watercolor, going to start with the lightest shades and then slowly going to start the darkest shade. So just follow my process how I am doing right now. And guys, I am going to paint it layer by layer. So first of all, what you will do, start with the lightest shade and let that layer become dry completely, and after that you will apply the second layer. Or you can also try the wet on wet technique, or you can try wet and dry technique. If you don't know this, let me know in the comments. I'll make a video on that, which is based on watercolors basically. So as you can see, I'm adding values one by one, layer by layer, and if you want, you can also use something to dry up. That is our bonus tip, which I'm going to tell you at the end of the video, so make sure to watch it till the end. Here is final product of our painting, and I am just in love with this painting. As you can see how cute is this looking. Make sure to share your feedback in the comment section, and let's have a closer look. Bonus tip for this video is that make sure if you can use a hair dryer to dry up layer by layer. Like, I have not used hair dryer in this video because I wanted to show you the normal process of making this painting. You can use a hair dryer to dry the layers of each paint or each coffee layer, because coffee takes a bit longer time compared to paint to dry up, so you can use a hair dryer for it. For more, you can also follow me on my Instagram, Pinterest, and you can also visit my site, that is howtomake.com. All the links are mentioned in the description. You can go and check it out. So with that, let me tell you the most important thing, that all the art materials that I am using in this video are mentioned, or all the links are linked in the description, so you can just go and check out all the art materials if you want to buy one. I hope you like the video, and if you do, make sure to hit the like button, share this video, and also do comment your feedback and let me know what do you think about this video. And if you are a coffee lover, make sure to hit the thumbs up for this video. So let's end this video.